everybody, welcome to the Patuo channel about traveling 360 degrees. I am the architect Danilo Guzmán, and today we are going to visit the Bernal Glacier, located in the Chilean Patagonia. Look around you, because this is a 360 degree experience.
And often hear the screams, seeing the people who struggle, and I'm scared of these things. Nuclear weapons, corruption, famine, and poison streams. And if we don't change our ways, it's what tomorrow brings. You like the new frequency, you wanna feel it, come with me, think about it, revolution, do not doubt it, this is our evolution. Revolving door is open, I know you're scared of choking, but you can have my token. I promise I'm not joking, and someday we'll be smoking. My third eye will be open. I am no longer hoping, creating worlds with focus. You like the new frequency, you wanna feel it, come with me, think about it, revolution, do not doubt it.
I want to say hi to Steven Hilfer. Now for the rest of you, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel and bear viewer. Also, you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Samsung Viewer, G+, and Twitter. Now I'm going to say goodbye, without first inviting you to download Horror VR. It is a virtual reality game where you can explore an old orphanage to discover what happened in this suspenseful game. Download it right now and enjoy Horror VR. The download link is on the video description. I am Danilo Guzmán, co-founder of Virtualizar, expert in augmented reality and virtual reality. See you soon, guys!